If you can't hear her, she's saying she's late. But it's all good, don't worry about it. At least you caught her in 4K.
Actually like this, so we'll keep it here for the moment. I'll keep you inside like this window, like in this, literally in this window right here. You already know what you're doing.
So, 2, 1, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Yep, can you do that and then like raise one of the hands up?
Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then let's grab one of the same thing. I'm just gonna grab the logo. Yeah. Let's go.
And then for the left side, you can put it down and then straight.
And 1, 3, 2, 1. Just gonna grab a detail shot if you're doing the same thing. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1. Yep, perfect. 3, 2, 1. That's perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then you do 1. You gotta go ahead and do it. I know it. Yep. I already know it. That's perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Perfect.
And then I'm gonna have you take a half step this way. I'm gonna do a pan like straight into you. It's gonna go from the legs, and then I kind of want you to just like stand there. Yeah. It could be like that, or it could be. It could just be like a little step like that. Yeah. All right, 3, 2, and 1. And then when you do it, don't look down. You're gonna look straight here. Yeah. Exactly. 3, 2, and 1. Perfect. Perfect.
Yep. Perfect. And then let's, yep, just like that. Let's get some details. Yep, playing around with the outfit.
And then we'll do the ones on the floor.
Perfect.
Looks sick. Hold that right there. Eyes here. Perfect. And then go for it. Let's get some details again. And then eyes here. Perfect. And then let me have you do that one pose one more time. One. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Got it. Easy. Look one done.
Thanks. Your card.
Perfect. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go over your left shoulder. I'm gonna get a detail shot of the pants right now. Boom, and then, yep, here. And then let's do one of you with your back against, yep, right there. And then for this one, 2, and 1. And then eyes here. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Amazing. Yeah, perfect. Hold that right there. I'm gonna go right behind you, Jordan. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. That's great. Let's see. Perfect. 3, 2, and then 1. Perfect. Yep, and then you go back to the front. And then this one, 1. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, that was perfect. Yeah, that was sick. And then perfect. Yes. Perfect. Yep, do that one more time. I'm gonna go. Okay, ready? 3. You can put the leg down and then do the same thing. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Yep. Perfect. And then let's 1. Still one more time. That's perfect. A 3. Perfect. We're good. Let's do one more. Actually, before we're good, stand right there. I did that to us earlier. I was like, what the heck is going on? We're good. Thank you. You killed it. I don't know what it is.
Log. That looks really good though.
This looks sick.
Yeah, it looks sick.
Like, it actually looks really good. I don't know why it's not playing back in color. I don't know. 2, 1. 3. Perfect. Hold that. Eyes here. Perfect. 3. Yes, hold that one right there. 3, 2, 1. Let's get the detail. 3, 2, 1. Three, 2, 1. And then we can do some here and we'll be good. Let's see. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hold that. Let's get that velocity sign in there. Let's do one like this, and kind of like, yeah, exactly. And then inch this space here right in the middle, right there. 3, 2, yes. Perfect, there we go. 3, 2, perfect. And let's do one cool one. Put your foot like right here. Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And then eyes here. And then you can put your right hand down like that. 3, 2, 1. Got it. Detail, boom.
Yeah, that's it.
Detail. And then it's like switching out the perspective. Those details, a little mix.
Yeah.
Got those,
Cool.
and then these.
Yeah, I like that little area. Yeah, those are sick. Yeah.
So we got it.
Yeah.
Okay, I appreciate you coming out. Appreciate you killing it as usual. And that is a wrap. Got to shoot with Eloise all the way in sunny Los Angeles. All the time we shoot, it's always in Miami. We switched it up. Got some fitness looks. Got a bikini look in. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you follow her. I mean, millions of people already do. So she's a superstar. She's gonna keep killing it. And we appreciate you guys tuning in. Anything to tell these people?
Follow Alain on YouTube. I mean, subscribe.
You know what to do. Peace. Thank you.